Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you tea lovers out there. We're diving into the world of VitaCup green tea instant packets, a product that claims to be the best green tea flavor available. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's get acquainted with the VitaCup green tea instant packets. This product comes in a box containing 24 single-serving sticks, making it incredibly convenient for those on the go. But it's not just any green tea. It's packed with matcha, moringa, essential vitamins, and more to enhance energy and detoxify your body. VitaCup prides itself on using Japanese-grade matcha powder. Known for its high quality, combined with moringa and a signature vitamin blend that includes B1, B5, B6, B9, B12, D3, and antioxidants. That's a powerful combination. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the taste. Taste is crucial when it comes to green tea, and VitaCup claims not to overpower your taste buds. We put it to the test. It's packed with antioxidants, including natural caffeine, EGCG, and L-theanine, which can help protect your cell health and fight free radicals. And let's not forget about that signature vitamin blend. It contains B vitamins to boost energy and metabolism, plant-based D3 for immune support, and more. This product claims to be your daily dose of goodness. To give you a more rounded perspective, let's take a look at what actual users are saying about VitaCup green tea instant packets. Overall, the reviews are positive. Users have reported increased energy, reduced appetite, and an overall sense of well-being. Of course, individual experiences may vary, but it's encouraging to see such positive feedback. Another aspect worth mentioning is the packaging and convenience factor. VitaCup green tea instant packets come in individually sealed sticks, which means you can take them anywhere, no need for machines or brewing time. Just open, mix, and enjoy, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. It's a perfect fit for a busy lifestyle. It's safe to say that VitaCup delivers on its promises. It offers a delicious taste, a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, and the ultimate convenience. While taste preferences can vary, it's certainly a strong contender in the world of green tea. If you're looking to elevate your green tea game and boost your daily wellness, give VitaCup green tea instant packets a try. You can find it on Amazon, and we'll provide a link in the video description below. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you've tried VitaCup green tea instant packets or have any other products you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a review from us.